Hi, this is Steve Brinton with Gatewings. Again, about grieving, awakening, thriving, and embracing. So here's a thought today that's come to my mind recently, and I'll share it with you. Maybe along the lines of awakening. Um, a lot of what we learn in this life, and then we go to seminars, we go to college, to universities, all kinds of trainings to educate ourselves. Notice that a lot of what can be learned in this life has to do with nature. If you really tune into nature, it would teach you the principles of how this life works. If we could be quiet and still and sit and listen and be present. Because this world right here, this is like reality. This is it. This is where truth comes to us. So every morning, for my own purposes, I write 5 pages of anything. Just to get whatever's inside of here, whatever's inside of here out of me. And I've also made a commitment in my life that if I wake up in the middle of the night and I get an idea, I will get up and grab my pen and paper and pad and write. So a couple nights ago at 2 o'clock, the time to write bell rang, and here's what came to me. So I invite you also to consider that writing is a very powerful tool for you to connect up with your heart, your mind, even your body that'll talk to you. So I thought, what part of life can teach me of nature? And it came to me as like the sunset and the sunrise. Okay? So sunrise and sunsets. Well, in life is incremental. Change, progress, everything happens incrementally. Line upon line, precept upon precept, if you've read the scriptures there. Here little and there little. So when I think of that pattern, that possibility, the sunrise teaches me. You know, when you wake up, is it all of a sudden dark and then it's light? Or it's light and then it's dark? No. You think of the last time you watched the sunset, the least little bit of like light creeping over the horizon, getting brighter and brighter and brighter. And what that was like to experience that infusion of light coming into your being, into your life. I've heard people talk about doing sun stares the first 30 seconds of sunrise where it's supposed to help you, and I haven't tried that, but I think there's value in that light coming into us. And as we watch the progression of light dissipating the darkness until the day is full. Likewise, if we're in the light, nobody is one day being a good citizen, the next day they end up in jail. Okay, there was always thoughts, little thoughts of darkness, taking away the light, little bit by little bit by little bit, until it gets darker and darker, until the darkness is there and all the light is gone. So, you know, one of the things we do as people, our challenges that we want, I want immediate gratification. I want that ice cream, I want that good food, I want to feel good now. And that immediate gratification is a bit contrary to life being line upon line, precept upon precept. So the next time you get up in the morning and you look out in the east and you see the sun coming up or it's not full daylight, I want you to ponder the fact that in life, things happen, life happens incrementally. Change happens line upon line, precept upon precept. We need a little bit of patience, we need some vision, we need some commitment, we need some belief that there's goodness for us, and it does come and it will come, and it comes to us line upon line, precept by precept, just like the sunrise in the morning.